I'm assuming this means you've got pretty bad news for us for Saturday.
For Saturday, yes, it's definitely looking to be kind of stormy at times. Not a complete washout, but definitely a period through the afternoon and evening of potentially severe storms. Then Sunday, gorgeous. Block parties all day long. On Monday, St. Patrick's Day itself, beautiful weather. It's just Saturday is that one day. It was another nice day today under clear skies. We had a few more clouds. Temperatures, though, much milder, 67 degrees, as our dew points are higher. We started out the day 40s and 50s. Tomorrow morning, I think we're going to be hard pressed to see many locations in the 50s. I think generally in the 60s. So temperatures probably not falling a great deal more than they are at this hour. As you'll notice, the dew points are upper 50s and low 60s. And with a southerly wind, we're probably not going to see those dew point values come down very much. So over the last couple of mornings, you needed a jacket, sweater to start off the morning. Tomorrow, probably not necessary, as those dew point values will steadily rise, and it will have a little bit more of a muggy feel. Certainly not the oppressive summertime humidity, but over the last couple of days we had that dry air, not quite as dry, and again a little bit more of a humid feel for the rest of the week. And for Saturday, with those storms rolling in, and we have seen an increase in the likelihood of severe weather as the Storm Prediction Center has placed more of the area under a heightened threat, level 3 out of 5. Then, as I'd mentioned, gorgeous weather for Sunday and Monday, and starting out early next week. Here is the culprit. Big upper level system that is moving now, not quite into the west coast just yet, but that'll be the disturbance that triggers our storms. Right now we've actually got some storms nearby from an upper low that is scooting across North Texas, just about entirely out of Texas, at least the severe threat, with kind of some lingering showers on the tail end of this little disturbance. This little feature is likely to weaken as it moves farther to the east. And this model has the rainfall completely gone, and even our high resolution model that had been a little bit more aggressive is also downplaying how much longer those storms will continue. So I think by tomorrow morning a stray sprinkle is possible, but rain chance is generally less than 10%, so really no need to even mention it. And I think we'll see a period of more sunshine during the day before clouds start rolling back in late Thursday. More cloudiness with some spotty showers on Friday. And of course, the better chance of rain will be associated with an approaching front on Saturday. Now, ahead of the front, so even during the morning, we could see a few thunderstorms kind of bubbling up here and there. I don't think we're going to see much, but those storms do have the potential of even becoming strong to severe. Now, it'll be more of a line of storms setting up as we get closer to the afternoon and evening hours, and that really was the concern for our Irish Channel parade as these storms start rolling in, as well as something that the crew mentioned is that we've got the strong winds. You've got some floats associated with that parade, and those winds would cause some issues. And winds right now, kind of on the conservative side, maybe gusting up to 30 miles an hour. It could easily be more just with the setup of this disturbance. Rain and storms will be with us through the afternoon and early evening. Now, as we get by 6, 7 o'clock, if you have plans that night, it looks like weather is going to be settling down. Front moves in, and Sunday weather ideal. As I'd mentioned, though, we have an increasing chance of severe weather. The threat level is now of a 3 out of 5. This just means there could be more storms and a higher likelihood of seeing strong to severe storms. It also indicates where we might see more severe storms, and thus indicating a higher chance of actually seeing them. So right now it looks like probably a level 3 out of 5. This at one point had only included kind of some of our Mississippi counties and just a small portion of the North Shore. Now it includes all of the metro area, North Shore, and all of our Mississippi counties. Saturday, generally afternoon and evening, but as I mentioned, even a few of those rogue storms that develop in the morning have the chance of becoming strong to severe, with all types of severe weather possible, meaning strong winds, tornadoes, hail. Have a way to get those alerts. The WWL app will notify you. Kind of a secondary threat would be maybe some isolated heavy rainfall, and that threat looks to be primarily for the North Shore and Mississippi, with rain totals only expected about 3/4 of an inch to an inch of rainfall. Maybe some isolated amounts could be a little bit more than that. Temperatures over the next couple of days, though, staying a little bit warmer. Storms on Saturday, gorgeous weather Sunday, ideal weather for St. Patrick's Day, sunny, and a high of 72.